I'm going to share with you the best and easiest tip today on how to grow your revenue and how to end most of the problems in your business related to not enough money, not enough income, or the inability to be able to do what you want to do, which is part of it might be taking time off. So, a lot of the problems that we experience can be eliminated if we have enough money to pay for them. Can't take time off because you can't afford to or you won't get paid. If you had enough income to hire a team and you had enough business coming in that you had programs or services or whatever it is that either are automated, recorded, or somebody else could do, you could obviously take time off and get paid. It all boils down to revenues. If it's hiring team and you can't afford it, it's because you're either not making enough that you can't afford to pull out of your pocket. And quite frankly, you shouldn't have to. There's a strategy that you can implement where within 4 weeks, you can increase your revenue by 30 to 100%. And I'm going to share with you on my screen a really quick version of what I'm talking about. If you focus on just 5 areas maximum, and you increase them by some of them as little as 0%, but some 10% on average, you can increase your revenue 30 to 50% easily, sometimes 100 to 300%. You will definitely grow your profitability by sometimes 50% to 65%. Let me share this with you real quick, and then I'll come back to the video with you. So I have a program called the Business Boost Blueprint, and what it covers is the 5 areas that you need to focus on in order to grow your revenue. And so as a quick example, if you have leads, if you're only bringing in 4 leads a month, that's 1 lead a week. What you need to do is you need to increase it more than 10%. But with just this conversion, right? You bring in 4 leads, you convert it 33% of your sales, which means out of 4, you're getting 1.32. Right? If with just a 10% increase in your leads, which means 4.4 per month, which means every 3 months you get 1 extra lead, you will increase your client base to almost 1.5. Double this because 4 leads a month, quite frankly, you're not doing very much. Grow to 8 leads a month without increasing your conversion rate, and you'll go from 1.32 to 2.6 customers a month. What do you think is going to happen to your revenue? You probably just doubled it. So what I'm sharing with you today is funnel it down to the most important thing that you need to do. The first thing you need to do is you got to know what you're selling. You then have to have a really good offer, a killer offer kind of that somebody stops in their tracks and says, that's exactly what I'm looking for, that's what I need, or this is a problem I have. Maybe this is the solution. When you have that, then your leads will grow. But you first need to get that in place. But bottom lining it, leads are the most important thing you can focus on to grow your revenue. Before I go further, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below on what you thought of this video, what I could improve on, or any information that you would like, and I'll do it. So back to the video itself. When you're looking really to increase your revenue, you don't have to double your prices. Sometimes you don't have to even increase them unless you haven't done it in a long time. But if you just increased your prices, and I came to work with you and I said, well, you got to increase your prices. You just did. So it'd be kind of tough, especially with existing customers, to raise them again so soon. So it's not always about raising your price. The most important thing that we can do is have conversations with people. Because when you're having conversations, you're going to find out quickly if you have a good qualifying question format. And if you don't, hit me up for that, because I can share one with you for free that'll let you know within 3 to 5 minutes if this person is in these 2 categories. 1, a potential sale. 2, they're going to be a referral source. Right? Whenever I speak with anybody, they're in those 2 categories, no matter what. Now, they don't always end up being a potential client or a referral source, but I make sure I go down that path, because if I don't, they're not gonna buy from me, or they're not gonna refer, because they're not saying, oh, who could I refer this person to today? No, they only refer when we ask for them. If they're not a referral, then what I take them to is either my newsletter, so they can get more information once a month, or at least my social media pages, so that they can join my YouTube channel or hit me up on the other social medias that I'm on. And so what you need to do is make sure that you have a strategy that knows what you're selling, that has an offer that gets the right people's attention, and that you're focusing on generating more leads. When you can do that, you will absolutely grow revenue. With the calculator I showed you, it's a program that I have called the Business Boost Blueprint. If you're interested in it, send me a message, comment on it, let me know down below. I'll be more than happy to share any information with you. Today, I wanted to help you and let you focus on the one thing you can do to easily change your revenue outcome, and that's grow your leads. Thank you.